Has it worked? Ivy? No. You useless piece of junk. You worthless fucking shit.
I wouldn't worry about it, mate. That girl was the size of a jet plane, and now she's out because she didn't want to play the game. That's pretty fair if you ask me.
It's people like you who made her think this way. No matter how many times I told her she was beautiful, it was always there. This sickness. This twisted state of mind. It's all your fault. Your lies. Your idea of a perfect woman. But she was already perfect. Why can't you all fucking see that?
A mirror never lies, Joe. Do you know what she saw looking in it?
But she is nothing like that.
What difference does it make now? You found a way to fix that, didn't you, Joe? Because you always knew what's best for her.
She was starving herself to death.
Well, you know what they say. No pain, no gain.
I never wanted to hurt anyone.
It's not your fault.
Robbie, I'm so sorry. I miss you.
I know. And I'm sorry too.
Please, don't go.
Don't bother, young man. He's already gone. Back to his smoldering hole where he belongs. This is the end. Accept it. And embrace it.
This is not the end. I'll find another way.
Naive little fool. You are the sixth parasite. And the sixth changes everything.
I have no idea what you were talking about, you crazy woman.
Sup, Joe? Missed me?
Please tell me you're real.
Joe, deep inside, you know I'm not. But without me, you can never bring Ivy back, because I finally got it. I know who I am, and I know why I'm here.
You are that part of Ivy that I fell in love with. And that dress is the dress she got married to me in.
Now you recognize it.
I'm a bloke. I don't think about dresses much. But I remember it now.
Good. Then there's only one thing left to do.
But no. You can't.
It's okay, Joe. Just switch it on. Let's bring her back to life. Joe, if this works, be good to her.
I would never hurt you, and you know that. We can start again here. I never get tired of talking to you. thing you do when you laugh. I love it. I can imagine spending the rest of my life with you.
I've been making myself sick.
I'll help you. We can beat this shit together, Ives.
Are you mad at me?
I could never be mad at you.
I love you.
Sorry, neighbor, but I happen to have a zero tolerance for sons of bitches. Poor girl. I was too late to save you. You're late.
Mrs. A? I heard noises and are you okay? Are you hurt?
I'm fresh as a daisy. And I managed just fine on my own, thank you.
What kind of trouble did you get yourself into this time?
The usual. Just another human parasite.
You killed Joe Davis?
Afraid so. Turns out we were living next door to a psychopath. Just look at what he did to his wife.
Oh, holy shit. She's nothing but skin and bones. Has he been starving her?
Well, pardon me, I forgot to ask him.
What the hell?
Don't touch her. He's been frying her with these electric wires. So stay back, Mitzi.
There's a switch over there. Let's shut it down.
Wait. I think she's alive. Oh, for crying out loud.
I'll get the fire extinguisher.
Go.
Run, Ivy. But it's okay. I know a place. A small countryside hotel. The kind you always liked. We can start again. We will start again there.